Okay guys, I got message from many of you asking me, can you please show us paid method to do CPA marketing? And today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your campaign and also how to optimize that campaign so you get cheap clicks. And also this will be CPAGrip tutorial because I got message from many of you saying me, I'm sending traffic but I'm not getting any clicks, I'm not getting any conversions. And I think that I know what is the problem. So today I'm going to show you how you can solve that problem so you can start getting clicks, you can start getting conversions, and you can start making money with CPAGrip and CPA marketing. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, I'm here on my CPAGrip account on my offers. So first thing we need to do, we need to choose a country. So here, let's just say, for example, we wish to promote offer from the United States. It is really important to remember the country because we are going to run a paid ads. Next, really important thing is you need to choose desktop, mobile, iPhone or Android. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose all mobile. It is really important to remember that I choose a mobile offer. And here I can see all the available offers. Now this is really important part, so please pay close attention. I actually made a mistake. I apologize for that. I was going quickly through these steps, so I didn't explain this properly to you. So what you need to do, you actually need to copy your CPAGrip affiliate ID. Copy this, and now you need to scroll here and let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this offer here, grab $750 PayPal gift card. And this is really important, so let me just make this larger, okay, like this. You need to paste your CPAGrip affiliate link here, okay? And now this is your CPAGrip affiliate link. And now when you send traffic, you will start getting clicks, you will start getting conversions because this is your real CPAGrip affiliate link. Again, I apologize for that. I was going quickly through these steps. I didn't show this to you properly. Like I said, I apologize for that. But now you know how to make your CPAGrip affiliate link properly. So now next thing you need to do, you need to start an ad campaign. You need to start promoting this offer here. So what I need to do, I need to copy this link and I actually need to paste it in Notepad because I'm going to need that link, okay? And also I'm actually going to copy the title of this offer and I'm going to paste that again in Notepad because I'm going to need that for my campaign. And the company that we are going to use to start our ad campaign is actually Propeller ads. You probably heard for Propeller ads, many CPA marketers are using Propeller ads to promote their CPA offers. And here you can see these guys are getting more than 1 billion visits to their campaigns every month, okay? So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on start and you need to choose advertiser because you are advertiser, you wish to promote your CPA offers. And then here you can choose individual or company. I'm guessing that most of you are individuals and you need to add some informations here. Click continue, add some basic informations there. Not that hard, really simple, really easy. Confirm your email and you are good to go. Now next thing you need to do, you will come to your dashboard and this is how your dashboard will look. Now this is important part of the video because now we are going to set up campaign. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on these zeros here, okay? Click here and now you need to add funds. As you can see here, bank card or wire transfer. Now for some reason, I don't have PayPal anymore, but doesn't matter. You can add funds on this place here, okay? And that is the first thing you need to do. You need to add funds. I would recommend to add at least $100 funds and then to start a campaign. So after you add funds, you need to click here on this big blue button, create a campaign, okay? And now we need to create our campaign. So campaign name, I am going to paste the name of my CPA offer. As you can see here, grab a 750 PayPal gift card now. That is the name of my campaign, so I know what campaign exactly it is. And here you can choose on-click, pop under, and direct clicks. But you can choose push notifications or interstellar, but I usually choose on-click, okay? You can choose this, but I choose this one here, okay? Then click here on direct clicks, okay? Because I wish direct clicks. Pricing model, you can choose CPM or Smart CPM. I choose CPA Gold 2.0, but like I said, you can choose these just to test them. I choose CPA Gold 2.2. 2.0, sorry about that. And here, targeted URL, that is my CPAGrip affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this, okay, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here. Now this is also really important. So what you need to do, you need to add click ID, okay? As you can see here, okay? Now this is important for one of the next steps. Now this actually, purpose of this part here is for them, for Propeller ads, to track conversions, to track clicks and conversions, okay? And that, like I said, that is important for one of the next steps. So let's just scroll here, traffic source. Here you need to leave this as it is, include anti-block. So if someone has ad blocker, this will actually overpass that, so your ad will be shown anyway. So just leave this, include anti-block, okay? Countries, we are going to use United States because we are promoting offer from United States. So I will simply search here for United States. Now you can choose different states in different countries, in different cities, but I will just leave it as in the entire United States. So here I don't need to do anything else, okay? Daily campaign budget. Now minimum is $30. So you can say $30. So let me just choose, okay, $20. As you can see here, it must be at least $30. That's why I told you that you need to add at least $100 on your budget, okay? So let's just say here $30. Total campaign budget, let's just leave it empty, but you can say, for example, $100, $200, $500, doesn't really matter, but I will leave it empty. Okay, here platform, we are going to use mobile because we are promoting mobile offer. That is why it is important to choose mobile, okay? And it is why I told you to choose mobile offer or desktop offer, because let me just remove this. When I click here, desktop, mobile. We choose mobile because our offer is mobile offer. Operating system, I will leave it as it is, but I already told you on CPAGrip that you can choose iOS or Android. But I will leave it as it is because I have actually chosen all mobile, okay? So I don't need to do anything here. So let me just go here. And this is also really important. This is why we actually needed this part here, okay? Sub ID. This is why we need it, okay? So let me just scroll here. Do not collect. I actually click here, collect users who complete conversion in the campaign, because this will help me in my future campaigns, because Propeller ads will now know who they need to promote my offers, and in that way I will actually get cheaper clicks for more traffic. And I will get better conversions because now Propeller ads know who they need to show my ads. I already have some campaigns, so as you can see here, gift card, keto, and maitse. And this is actually t-shirt on my language. So I already have my collections. So when I choose one of these collections, for example, gift card, now Propeller ads will show the people who already engaged with this audience on my previous campaigns, and I will get cheaper clicks for less traffic. And that means I will pay less money for better conversion, and I will make more profit, okay? That is why it is really important to collect users who complete conversions. You don't have to do that, but I would suggest to do that, and that is why we need to add this click ID, okay? So you need to scroll back down on the bottom. You need to click here to agree to the terms of condition, and that's it. All you have to do now is just click here on start a campaign, and you will start your campaign. Now this is the easiest way to start a campaign. If you're a beginner, I would suggest to start campaign just like this one. Later you can go on one of these campaigns here, push notifications or interstellar, okay? Push notifications give you a bit more options to show your ads. But like I said, if you're a beginner, choose on click pop under, okay? That is the easiest way to use Propeller ads and to get some conversions and to get some money and to start making money with CPAGrip and CPA marketing. So this is how you do paid ads for CPA marketing and CPAGrip. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.